Jeep too. I've seen this before. Yeah, now we're like off. Right there. That's where it's coming from.
This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders.
What's going on, you guys? Griffin here with Country Slickers. We are headed out today in the Jeeps. Big off-road day. Should be a lot of fun. Beautiful fall day. We're like 4 degrees right now. Believe it or not, we're going to McLean Creek again. So I don't know what we're running. We're meeting up with my buddy Tommy, who's got a big built WJ on axles and big lift, long arms, blah, blah, blah. Beautiful truck. And then Logan, who I have not yet wheeled with yet, but we met him on one of the Calgary forums. And so we're going to go out with him today too. And I think he's got an older Dodge that's done up on egg tires. So should be a good day out. Super excited to see what's up. I'm actually the first one here, which never happens. I'm always late. So go figure. Maybe I'm turning over a new leaf pre-January. I don't know. Anyways, super stoked to get out, you guys. Thank you so much to all our new subscribers that are tuning in. We're stoked to have you guys. Thank you for making this channel what it is. Without further ado, let's get out onto the trail for sure, and we're gonna go from there. Oh, there's the beast. There he is. Look at that thing. Pretty dirty though, we could have washed it. Oh yeah. This thing's been beat, not babied for sure. You gonna brake first, or is the Dodge gonna brake first?
I'm not gonna brake.
No?
Not doing anything.
You sure?
Great, now we're having bets.
All right, trail's pretty good so far. A little bit of snow for sure, and a couple places it's melted out. We got a little bit of ice. I don't know why I'm leading. Once again, the guy on the little baby 33s is leading. So we got the one guy on egg tires is on 39s, and then Tommy's on 38s, I believe. So yeah, hopefully we can push one of those boys to the front and see how they make it through such. This is the best part about being on baby 33s and small. No one ever talks about the benefit. You get to sneak through spots that everybody else has to mess around in. So that's nice. After coming through some of the tight trees, we took a route on towards West Fisher Connector. Generally this trail is pretty easy in the summertime, however going into the winter you can run into some icebergs that are pretty tight and hard to go over, especially in smaller trucks. Luckily for me, both the guys that I was with had bigger tires and were able to chew through the ice first, making it easier once it was broken up for me to get through some of the mud.
It's not fun coming down backwards, is it?
So the first attempt went poorly. Poorly. If you want to move your truck forward or back 10 feet, we'll take one more attempt and we'll see what happens.
I slid and hit my butt off my Jeep. Ow.
Well, I'm glad you slid as much as I did. Okay, running Powerline Trail. First time for me in the Jeep. So we're running Powerline. I have never actually done this in the Jeep, so we'll see how this goes. I've done this in the quad a couple times, but yeah, this should be interesting. Tommy's leading the way. He's got the definitely the most travel out of all of us, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, that's so good. Right there, that's where it's coming from.
Go back on
Yeah,
very easily.
that's not great. Okay,
Well, at least now it's in a crevice.
yeah, we can clean it out now real quick. Crank left, other left, other left.
It can't. It won't go.
It won't go?
No.
Okay. Yeah, now we're like off.
That's fine. That's a good spot, eh?
It's better than we were for sure. You're straight at least. Yeah, try there, I guess. Go. Where's that little? Give me that pap.
Oh, the air is being quieter and quieter.
Tommy, you look so disappointed. Aw, but I have my
all he wanted to do was light something on fire.
I have my explodey stuff.
I came back.
That's the sound we need.
Never mind.
Bam!
Nailed
We're
it.
good. Oh my God. So I've done Powerline Trail before on the quad. On a Jeep, this is ridiculous. It's tight, it's off center, the wheels are lifting everywhere. I mean, for a guy like me that doesn't have lockers, I'm just on the bottle the whole way. Like, look at this. Look at this track. Like, you're barely touching. Like, just barely. I have no idea how Logan's gonna make this on 1-tons. It's gonna be a terrible idea. Like, not, I don't know how on 1-tons with the width, I don't know how he's gonna make this trail. He is way too far outside. There you go. Nice. Yeah, he cleaned that. He did good. How was that?
That's tight.
That's tight.
That's too tight. Did you grab that tail light?
Oh yeah, a little bit of Rocky Mountain pinstriping. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that's a nice tight trail for sure. Yep. drop. You got room. You're good. You're good. Keep coming straight. Wheel straight. Straight. Yeah, you got lots of room. Straight. Go right, go right. Your left. Sorry, your left. 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 Go, driver. Driver. You can go up on the bank, but driver, you got space. You can go driver. You're good. Go passenger. Stop, stop, stop. Oh.
You're good.
Okay, yeah, you're good. That'll do. Holy. So we lost our window on that one, unfortunately. Came down hard on the side and smashed through the side panel and into the glass. So that's fun. So yay, no window. Oh yeah, pushing icebergs. Good, or are you done? Oh. Woohoo! There you go.
That felt deep.
That felt good. Well, that's it, folks. We lost a tire, a rear taillight, and a driver's side window on my part. So that's the end of it. We had a great time. It was a good run out. Unfortunately, we need to spend a little bit of money to get these things rig rocket ready again, and we will be out and about. So awesome time out. If you guys haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We always do crazy stuff like this. We always have a lot of fun out. So subscribe, stay tuned, and we will see you on the next video. All right, Country Slicker out.